Good morning, Dr. Charles Foster, Fostering Wellness. We have locations in Brandon, Rutland, and Randolph, Vermont. And I want to answer a question today that is one of the most commonly asked questions with regard to chiropractic and chiropractic care in general. Very oftentimes, patients will ask myself, or they'll say about chiropractic, is it true that once you start seeing a chiropractor, you have to keep going? And before I answer the question about the merits of chiropractic care, I want to sort of answer that question with another question. Let's say if I were to talk to you about joining a gym, maybe someone would ask, is it true that once you start exercising that you have to keep exercising? Or that once you adopt a good food plan that you have to continue to stay on that good food plan? And I think the answer is really self-evident. That if it's good for us, if going to the gym and working out is good for us, then it's good for us for our whole lives. And so we ought to do it for our whole lives. And if eating a proper, well-balanced, healthy diet with the right amount of fats and the right amount of proteins and the right amount of carbohydrates, well-balanced to meet our lifestyle, it's true if we're going to do that for a time, then it's something we ought to do for the rest of our lives. And by the same token, chiropractic is that kind of thing. Certainly a person could start on a course of chiropractic care and drop out and never have to go back. The same way that they could join a gym and be a member of a gym for 6 months or a year or 10 years and then drop out and never go back. But the fact of the matter is, people often begin to feel better after they've been at the gym for a few months. Or after they've been eating properly for a few months, they begin to feel better and they can't imagine going back to the way they felt before. The same is true of chiropractic care. When we begin to improve the function of your nervous system, when we begin to improve your neurology, when after a course of chiropractic care, your posture's improved, your musculoskeletal system is more balanced, more efficient, more strong, more reflexive, then oftentimes it's true, people don't want to go back. They go like, I would never stop going. It's not as if they're addicted to something that's bad. It's as if they are committed to doing something that's good for them. And they can't imagine ever going back to feeling the way they were before. So I would answer, no, you don't have to go to a chiropractor the rest of your life, but you would be wise to. You don't have to eat properly for the rest of your life, but you would be wise to. You don't have to exercise the rest of your life, but you would be wise to. You see, chiropractic is one of those health maintenance systems, if you will. It's integral to your long-term health. So I look forward to getting together with you again. I'm going to come back every once in a while with a question that I heard from a patient and an answer that I gave to them that I think bears sharing with you. So looking forward to seeing you next time.